Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield. It is about 7:30 in the evening, and I'm going to have a look at how much of the pitch has come on being uncovered. And it's not a lot at all, is it? Thought there'd be more than that. That's disappointing. Let's have a nose at that. Yeah, black covering on there, and that's completely wrecked, isn't it? Saying that, it's probably still better than any pitch I've played on still. Yeah. Anyway, while I'm here, someone wants me to have a look at this part here. They don't know what's going on. So does anyone know what's going on here? Yeah, looks like something's been dug out there, doesn't it? But for what, I don't know. If anyone knows what's going on there, let me know. Someone's asked me to have a look at that. Disappointing that. Could have stayed in the house. Could have done something. It's not there. It's a generator, isn't it? Okay. A load have been, so it's doubled up in it, so a load have come up, to be fair, like. It's just that they were taken off together earlier. To get me, so they take the top one off, then they take the bottom off and stack them together. But obviously not doing it like that now. Also they're going around taking the top layer off and then taking the under layer off. I don't think we're going to see much change in that for a couple of days. Okay, never mind. If you can hear loads of cheering and shouting going on, it's I'm going to say Sunday League football. It's like Sunday League football. It's kid football going on, but it's not Sunday. Yeah, I want to have a look at this before, because when I looked back at my footage earlier, that road looked as though it was all manky for some reason. What's going on with it? It hasn't been ripped back up, has it? So what happens to that? Why is that like that? And oh look, you know what? Someone said the Forever Stones have been come on more, and they have. Right, okay. So Forever Stones wise, you know what? I might be able to get a little bit lower over this. You know, that little rectangle there, that'll be where the benches will go. So let me just get some, because I'm miles in the area. Let me get right down. Okay, let's see if I can make out any names. anyone make anything else on there? I'll probably see better when I've got it off my phone. But yeah, loads have gone down, and we started like a new set here. Load of square and brick ones. There we go, further stone down. They're all the other way round, aren't they? Okay. Yeah, it's just a little look at the stones there. People working on site still, so I'll get away from it. Only thought to do it because it's late in the evening. See all the pictures on the right hand side there. Yeah, right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Not much of the picture uncovered. It was just a quick one to see how they got on. But I had a little look at the forever stones, and I want to know what's going on with that tarmac as well. If anyone in the tarmac and business can let me know, that'd be handy. Right, thanks for watching guys. Look after yourselves, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.